No, we're super excited about our growth prospects. We put the machine learning software in place 6 months ago, and these types of softwares really improve themselves over time as we continue to grow our first party data from the games that we build, and then also bring more clients onto the platform. There's a huge opportunity that we see to enable us to grow for years to come. We did post a shareholder letter on the website too that I'd urge investors to read. It really enumerates these opportunities well, and we're excited about what lays ahead for us.
You mentioned first-party data, and we were just talking to Unity's John Riccitello yesterday about the environment around iOS and the impact on companies that operate on their platform around whether they have access to data. Is your position affected at all by Apple's sort of closing down some of that third-party data access? Is it perhaps strengthened by the fact that you have your own network that you're trying to grow out with first-party data?
Look, iOS has rolled out 14.5 that changes the rules for a month now. Over 10% of the audience is on there. So we can already address the impact and assess it. We're not seeing any material impact in our business, and we're seeing a big opportunity there because we do have this first-party data advantage. We've got 200 million people playing our games every single month that give our software platform a data advantage. There's some misinformation too in the market around what consumers are willing to share and not. Across our games, we're seeing 30 to 40% of consumers sharing information. And that's a much bigger number than that's been reported.
Hey, Adam, good morning. It's Deirdre. I know that AppLovin games serve a quick sort of on-the-go mobile purpose first, but I wonder if you're thinking about the metaverse and how your games might eventually integrate or benefit from this shift that a lot of folks think is going to come fast.
The metaverse shift has happened, right? COVID really accelerated it. Those types of games are these alternative realities, these worlds that people can get immersed in, but they do take many hours a day to engage with. Our games are casual, they're on the go. We actually didn't even see much of an impact in terms of increased usage of our games over the COVID era. So as we look forward, we're excited about the world becoming more excited about gaming. And we think as people go back to normal life, they're going to engage even more with the types of games that we power.
Right, and your games do have a social element. So are you thinking ahead in creating sort of something that will work within a metaverse or your own metaverse? Where will it end up beyond Fortnite and Roblox?
We're more interested in the casual aspect of gaming. We want the whole world to be able to play our games and not have to spend hours on end doing so. So our games, a game like Wordscapes, a game like Project Makeover, they're tailored to people who are on the go, who want to play for 30, 45 minutes a day. We're certainly building some of those characteristics into the game. Project Makeover has an avatar system, so people can build themselves into the game, but our games are not constructed to have people to play hours on end.
Adam, what are you seeing as economies begin to open up locally in demand for advertising? What's happening to rates based on inventory? Are there businesses that really are trying to attract people back, and is that affecting the revenue in your ecosystem?
We grew our software platform, the advertising part of our business, 90% in Q1. So it's accelerating. It's seeing quite a lot of growth. And our business is actually constructed a little bit differently. Everything we do is performance-based. We work with the app developers to help them grow. And what we're seeing is as mobile devices improve, connectivity improves, and developers get better, the content is just getting better, which enables developers to give better experiences to the consumer and also effectively spend more on marketing, which is a trend we've seen over the last decade, and it continues to accelerate.